Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel. How everybody doing today? I hope fine. Today video will be about global crypto app, and as far as I know, they've done some changes inside software. So today we will discuss about these changes, and also we will make a live trading session using global crypto app. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So let's go. Alright. So we are inside the global crypto app dashboard, and as you can see, the interface of global crypto software, it's a little bit changed. As you can see, we don't have that window here with charts, and also you can see but more and more brokers are added to global crypto app. So if you've been trying to sign up for a global crypto app and you couldn't, now you have more chances to join it, because as I told you, more brokers are joining global crypto app because they saw it that it is a trusted software. The feedback for the software, it's very good. If you want to join it to the official website, you have the link below this video. Let's go to the economic calendar on investing.com to check the economic calendar to see if there are free bull news for today. Go to tools, the economic calendar, and here you need to set up your time zone. My time zone is GMT plus 3. And we have on New Zealand dollar, we had at 5 o'clock, there was free bull news. Also GBP or on 12 o'clock. And on US dollar. So we need to avoid these currencies. Now let's go back to the, no, I don't want, let's go back to the software, and we have here Bitcoin, Euro, Ethereum, GBP, which is 87% winning ratio. As you can see, this green percent here, it's winning ratio, and here it's 87%. As I told you before, this percent must be more than 70%. I am trading pairs with more than 75% in my case, but also you can trade on 70% also. So let's begin and choose Euro GPI. Let's try Euro GPI, which is 79% winning ratio. It's a sell on Euro GPI. Euro GPI, let's set here the lot volume, set it to 1 and invest. Order successful placed. It's a sell, as you can see it here, direction. And let's go back to the dashboard and choose another one. It was Euro GPI, so write it down. You have US dollar, Japanese yen is 70%. Okay, so we have GBP GPI. It's a sell. Choose the broker. GBP GPI sell. Okay, one lot and invest. accept changing. Okay, order successful. Okay, let's choose another one. So GBP GPI sell. Let's go to the dashboard. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have too many options at this hour, so we are staying with only 2 trades for today. This is it. So we will see what will happen with those 2 trades, because it's a little bit late. It's almost 5 o'clock, and that's why the signals are not it's a little bit late, and the signals are not very good at this hour. So that's it. I'll be back a little bit later with the results for today's trading. Stay here, don't go. Hi everyone, so I'm back with today's trading session, and let's go back to the dashboard, and let's go back to the trades, and let's have a look what was happening today. We have, as you can see, we have those 2 trades, Euro GPA, GBP GPI, are on profit, both trades, and it's a good profit. The first one, Euro GPA, it's 183.82 euros, and the other one, GBP GPI, it's 232.02 euros. So as you can see, from 2 trades we have a total profit of 450.84 euros. And let's have a look, a closer look. Euro GPI, it was a sell. I have to say that I've manually closed both trades. I manually closed because I don't know why the software is setting the take profit and stop loss on a very high level, and I don't know why. As you can see, an open price of 122.265, and the take profit was set by the app at 121.152, and the closed price, it was 122.040. And the second one, GPP GPI, open price of 136.605. The take profit was set on 135.458, and the close price was 136.321. So I manually closed them, and I have this profit of 415.84. So that being said, this is the trade for today. If you want to join Global Crypto app, you have the link below this video to the official website. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Don't forget to go to the economic calendar and check the economic calendar. Trade between 9 o'clock and 5 o'clock in the evening, and from Monday to Friday. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.